Welcome back to my channel JBR online classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Hello everyone, so once again welcome back to my channel JBR online classes, and today I am going to start exercise 4.4 from the book of ML AGGARWAL. So here the problem is factorize the following. Okay, so now in this exercise we are going to learn about a method is called middle term factorization method. Now what is middle term factorization method and what we'll do in this method? So middle term factorization method is here x square plus 5x plus 6. This is the expression. Okay, now in this here each and every problem there will be three numbers. First one x square, second one 5x, second and third one 6 in this problem. So here 5x is the middle term. Okay, this is the first term, second term and third term. So 5x here the middle term. Now in this method, middle term factorization method, first you have to do here the last term, that is constant term, and here the coefficient of x square. First you multiply the coefficient of x square with the constant term. So here the coefficient of x square is 1 and the constant term is 6. So 1 into 6 it becomes 6. As here middle term is 5, so now you have to factorize this number. Okay, to factorize 6, so here 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 are the factors of 6. Now you have to make this 5, that means this middle term 5. You have to make this middle term 5 with the help of these factors. Okay, and each and every time you have to use all the factors. Okay, you have to use all the factors, as here 2 and 3 are the factors, so you have to make to a 5 with the help of 2 and 3. So here easily 3 plus 2, that becomes 5, you know that. Okay, now here's one tips. Each and every time when you have to use this factor to make the middle term, you use only addition or subtraction. Okay, only one time, remember that. If you want to use addition, then you can use it. If you want to subtraction, then you can subtract it, but it happens only one time and any one. That means you cannot use plus and minus both to make the middle term, but you can multiply. Okay, you can multiply the factors several times. That means one time, two times, three times, as your choice. But for the case of plus and minus, you have to choose only one and for a one time. Okay, so here 3 plus 2 it becomes 5. So first write down the greater number and then write down the smaller number. Okay, remember that first you have to write down the greater one and second one the smaller one. So 3 plus 2 and it becomes 5. So instead of 5, write down 3 plus 2. Then again x and last one plus 6. Now just open the bracket. So whenever you open the bracket, x will be multiplied with 3, it becomes 3x, and x multiplied with 2, it becomes 2x. So here x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 4. Now you have 4 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so here just pair first 2 terms and the second 2 terms. So from the first 2 terms you have to common something. So in the first 2 terms the common term is x. So whenever you common x from the first 2 term, the remaining will be x plus 3. As here x square, so if x will be common from x square, then x as remain, and from 3x then 3 will be remain. Now the next 2 terms, here the common term is 2. So whenever we common 2, then it becomes x plus 3. Now here is another tips. Always remember that these 2 terms will be always identically equal. Okay, these 2 terms will be always identically equal. That means if here x plus 3, then here also x plus 3. If here x minus 3, then here also x minus 3. Okay, each and every problem, these 2 terms always identically equal. So now the next step, in the next step, here's here x plus 3, so you have to just write down only one time as x plus 3, and then the last term will be the remaining portion, as here the remaining portion is x and here plus 2, so write down here x plus 2. Okay, so in the middle term factorization method, first you have to multiply the constant and the coefficient of x square, then factorize this number, then with the help of this number you have to make the middle term, and then you have to common it from the first two terms and the next two terms, and you have to make the factor. So these two are the factor of this expression. So that means it's a factorization method, middle term factorization method. Okay, and each and every problem the answer will be like in this way. There is something multiply with something, as you have to find out the factor. So that's why the answer will be like in this way, something multiply with something. Okay, now the next one, number 2. In number 2, x square minus 8x plus 7. So here coefficient of x square 1, so 1 into 7 it becomes 7. Now factors of 7 and 1. So instead of 8 you can write down 7 plus 1. Then open the bracket, it becomes x square minus 7x, then minus x plus 7. From the first two term x will be common. From the next two term, as there is no common term, so you can easily common 1. Okay, when there is no common term, so you can just common 1. So it becomes x minus 7. So the final answer will be, as here 2x minus 7, so write down one time x minus 7 and the remaining portion x and minus 1. Okay. Okay, so here in this exercise here are lots of problem. So each and every time not possible to solve all the problems. Okay, so as here sum number 2 1 is as same as the previous one, so I'm going to solve sum number 2. Okay, so here sum number 2 2, y square plus 7y minus 18. So 18 into 1 it becomes 18, factorize 18, you will get 2 3 3. So 2 3 3 are the factors of 18. Now with the help of 2 3 3 you have to make 7. Okay, so here 3 into 3 it becomes 9, and then 9 minus 2 it becomes 7. Okay, as here 7, so 9 minus 2 it becomes 7. So here 3 into 3 and 1 minus, then 9 minus 2, so 9 minus 2 it becomes 7. So instead of 7 write down 9 minus 2. So y square plus 9y minus 2y minus 18. From the first two term common term will be y, so it becomes y plus 9. Next two term common term minus 2y, it becomes also y plus 9. So the answer will be y plus 9, then y minus 2. Now next sum number 3 2, a square minus 3a minus 54. So here 54, factorize 54, 2 3 3 3. So these are the factors. So here you have to make 3. So here 3 into 3 it becomes 9, and then 3 into 2 it becomes 6. So 9 minus 6 that becomes 3. So instead of 3 write down 9 minus 6. Then here a square minus 9a plus 6a minus 54. A will be common from the first two term, a minus 9. 6 will be common from the next two term, it becomes also a minus 9. So the final answer a minus 9, and the rest of two terms a and a plus 6. Okay. Now sum number 4 2, x square plus 13x minus 5. So here coefficient of x square equal to 6, constant term is 5. So 6 into 5 it becomes 30. Now factorize 30, you will get 3 2 and 5. So with the help of 3 2 and 5 you have to make 13. So here 5 into 3 it becomes 15, and then 2, so 15 minus 2 that becomes 13. So instead of 13 write down 15 minus 2. So here 6x square plus 15x minus 2x minus 5. So from the first two term the common term is 3x. So if you common 3x from 6x square it will be remain as 2x. From the next term 15x it will be 5. So from the next two term there will be no common terms, so 1 will be common. So here 2x plus 5, as here minus common, so that's why this becomes plus 5, as minus minus plus. So here the answer will be 2x plus 5 into the remaining terms, that means 3x and minus 1. So 3x minus 1. Now next one, sum number 6. Sum number 5 are as same as sum number 4. So I hope you can solve it. So here sum number 6, 2x square minus x minus 6. So coefficient of x square that equal to 2, last constant term that equal to 6. So 2 into 6 it becomes 12. Now you have to factorize 12. So 2 2 3. With the help of 2 2 3 you have to make 1, as here the coefficient of x is 1. So here 2 into 2 it becomes 4. Now 4 minus 3 that becomes 1. So 2x square minus 4x plus 3x it becomes 1x, that means minus 1x. So minus 6. So from the first two term 2x will be common, so x minus 2. Next two term 3 will be common, so also x minus 2. So the answer will be x minus 2 and the remaining terms 2x plus 3. Now sum number 6(2). 1 minus 18y minus 63y square. Okay, so here the constant and the y square term just change their place. Okay, so no need to worry, the process will be same. So first here you have to multiply the constant or coefficient of y square with the constant term. So 63 into 1, it becomes 63. So here 63, factorize this one, you will get 337. So with the help of 337 you have to make 18. Okay, so here 7 into 3, it becomes 21, and 21 minus 3, that will get 18. Okay, so here minus 21y, as here 18y minus, so write down first the greater one, minus 21y plus 3y, that becomes minus 80y. So minus 63y square. So from the first two term the common term will be 1, so 1 minus 2y as remaining, and from the next two term here the common term is 3y. So if 3y will be common, then it becomes 1 minus 21y. And as I said before that, these two terms are always identically same in each and every problem. Okay, so first write down any one. So write down 1 minus 21y and then write down the remaining terms. So as here remaining term is 1 and here is 3y. So 1 plus 3y. Okay, so that is the answer. So I think you will not face any kind of problem in this middle term factorization method. Okay, so if you like this video, please share this video with your friends, with your family members, anyone. Okay, please help others. So the next one, 7(2). Okay, so in sum number 7(2), here 5 minus 4x minus 12x square are the given expression. Okay, so that means here the constant term is 5 and the coefficient of x square is 12. So first what I have to do, you have to do just multiply this constant with the coefficient. So 5 into 12, that becomes 60. Next thing is you have to factorize this number. So whenever you factorize 60, you will get 2, 2, 3, 5 as the factors. Now with the help of these 4 factors, you have to make 4. Okay, so here 3, 5, 2, 2. Now what we'll do here, first suppose here 5 into 2. 5 into 2, it becomes 10, and 3 into 2, it becomes 6. Okay, so as I said before, you can multiply several times, 1 time, 2 times, as your choice, but addition or subtraction, any one. Okay, you have to choose which one you have to do in this section. If you want to plus, then you have to do plus. If you want to minus, then you have to minus, but any one. Here 5 into 2. Okay, so here 5 into 2, 10, then 10 minus 3 into 2, it's 6. So 10 minus 6, it becomes 4. So instead of minus 4x, write down minus 10x plus 6x. It's also become minus 4x. So from the first two term, the common term is 5, then 1 minus 2x. From the second two term, common term is 6x. So it becomes also 1 minus 2x. So the answer will be 1 minus 2x, and then the remaining term 5 and 6x. So 5 plus 6x. Now sum number 8. So here sum number 8(1). X into 12x plus 7 minus 10. Okay, so as the given expression are not like the previous one. So first you have to make this expression with the form of the previous one. So first you have to multiply x with these two terms. So here x into 12x, 12x square, x into 7, 7x minus 10. Okay, now this expression will be look like the previous one. Okay, so by the same method, that means middle term factorization method. So here first you have to multiply 12 and 10. So 12 and 10, it becomes 120. So you can factorize 120 or you can factorize 12 and 10 separately. Okay, so whenever you face a bigger terms, after multiplication, if you get a bigger terms, then you can separate the number and factorize separately. Okay, there is no problem here. So you can separate this number as 12 and 10, you can factorize separately. So whenever you find out the factors of 12, 2, 2 and 3, and here the factors of 10, 2 and 5. So now you have total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, total 5 factors, and with the help of these 5 factors you have to make 7. Okay, understand? So with the help of these 5 factors you have to make 7. So here suppose 5 into 3 it becomes 15. Okay, and here 2 into 2 into 2 it becomes 8. So 2 into 2 into 2 it becomes 8, and 5 into 3 it becomes 15. So 15 minus 8, that equal to 7. So instead of 7, write down 15x minus 8x. Then from the first two term, the common term is 3x. So here 4x plus 5, and the next two term common term is minus 2. So here also 4x plus 5. So the answer will be 4x plus 5, and the remaining terms 3x minus 2. Sum number 8(2). So here 4 minus x whole square minus 2x. So first you have to use the formula of a minus b whole square, and it becomes 16 minus 8x plus x square. Okay, and the last term is minus 2x. Now here minus 8x minus 2x, it will be minus 10x. So final will be 16 minus 10x plus x square. That is the final expression. Now again you have to use the method of middle term factorization. So as here coefficient of x square is 1, so 1 into 16 it becomes 16. Now factorize 16, you will get 2, 2, 2, 2. Now with the help of 4, 2, you have to make 10. So 2 into 2, it's 4. 4 into 2, it becomes 8. So 8 plus 2, that becomes 10. So as here minus 10x, so write down here minus 8x minus 2x. Okay, minus 8x minus 2x, you will get minus 10x. Now from the first two terms, the common term is 8. So it's become 2 minus x. From the next two terms, the common term is minus x, it becomes also 2 minus x. Okay, so the final answer will be 2 minus x, write down only one times, and then the remaining terms, that means here 8 and here minus x. So 8 minus x. Next one, sum number 9(1). 60x square minus 70x minus 30. So what we will do, first you have to multiply 60 with 30, and you will get 1800. It's a bigger term. So do one thing, you have to factorize separately. You have to factorize separately 60 and 30. So here the factors of 60 are 2, 2, 3, 5, and the factors of 30 are 2, 3, 5. So you have total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 factor. Okay, now with the help of these 7 factor, you have to make 70. Okay, so here, as here 5, 3, here 2, 5, 2, 3 and 3, 2. Okay, so 5 into 5, 25, 25 into 3, 75. Okay, so next one, no, I think here 5 into 2, 10. Okay, let's say 3 into 3, 9. Okay, so 5 into 2, 10, and 3 into 3, 9. So 5 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, so 5, 3, 2, 3 and 1, 2. So that becomes 90. And then the rest of portion are 5, 2, 2. So 5 into 2, 10, 10 into 2, 20. So here 5 into 2 into 2. So 20. So 90 minus 20, that becomes 70. Okay, so here you can write down minus 90x plus 20x minus 30. Okay, so now if from the first two portion 30x will be common, so it 2x minus 3. Next two portion 10 will be common, it becomes 2x minus 3. So here write down 2x minus 3 and then 30x plus 10. Now here another thing, as this portion 2x minus 3, there will be no common portion, but here 30x plus 10. Okay, in this 30x plus 10, the common term is 10. You can easily common 10 from here. So whenever you common 10 from here, so 10 will be here, and then 3x plus 1 will be as remaining. Okay, so just write down common 10 from this portion and 3x plus 1, and then the last term 2x minus 3. So that is the final answer. Sum number 10. That is the last term for this video. Okay, in the next video I am going to solve the rest of the portion of this exercise, and one by one I will be upload all the chapters, that means all the chapters in the book from the book of ML Agarwal. So please subscribe my channel and please share this video with your friends, with your family, and help others. Okay, so in this pandemic situation, I'm trying to solve all the exercise from the book of ML Agarwal to help you. So I think you will you definitely help the other person. Okay, that means you have to no need to the tuition. Okay, no need to the tuition, as here all the chapters are solved by free of cost. Okay, so as I help you, so you should help others. So here sum number 10(2). In sum number 10(2), here the given problem is 6x square minus 5x minus 6y square. So first what I have to do, you have to do just multiply 6 into 6, it becomes 36. Okay, as there is no constant term, so just coefficient for the first term, that is coefficient of x square, with the last term coefficient of y square. So 6 into 6, 36. Now factorize 36, you will get 2, 2, 3, 3. You have to make 5. So here 3 into 3, it 9, and 2 into 2, 4. So 9 minus 4, it becomes 5. So write down here 6x square minus 9x xy plus 4xy minus 6y square. Then from the first two terms common 3x, it becomes 2x minus 3y. Next two term common 2y, it becomes also 2x minus 3y. As I said before, these two terms will be always identically same in each and every problem. Just remember that. So now write down only one times 2x minus 3, and then the rest of portion, that means 3x, and here 2y. So that is the final answer. Thank you.